Dr. Bob Baravarian is a podiatric foot and ankle surgeon practicing for over 20 years. And just recently, everything has changed. For the better, for just about everyone.
Is this a game changer?
Game changer, like beyond game changer. You know, if I had to predict in 10 years from now, people are gonna be, why would you ever put metal into someone's body?
What he's referring to is the orthopedic material used in surgeries. For over a half century, metal has been the standard used to fix fractures and other issues. But metal presents its own challenges. So, a new material called Ossio really is a game changer.
Ossio is a revolution in orthopedic material that basically incorporates and becomes bone. When we put metal into patients' bodies, that metal can be irritating. Sometimes it needs to be removed. Sometimes it comes loose. Sometimes when it's cold, patients feel the metal. All of that goes away. Ossio is an alternative to metal, but it is a biocompatible material that will actually become a person's own bone.
So you do a surgery on someone in their foot and you put in this screw to keep things together, and eventually it becomes melded with bone.
And becomes bone.
It becomes bone.
So all of that metal that used to be in the body, no more.
The nice thing about the Ossio is that I seem to have fewer patients that have to take a big break from their rehab.
This Ossio material doesn't just come in a screw. We have tendon anchors, we have staples, we have pins, and Ossio is not just foot and ankle. It can be used in knees, shoulders, hips, and over time it's really going to replace what's available for orthopedic products.
Part of what we do is try to get people back to doing activities of daily living faster, whether it's getting up from playing a game on the floor with your kids, or whether it's going up and down stairs doing the laundry or taking care of the house. Everybody just seems to get back to their lives a little bit faster with this stuff.
It's very gratifying when you can get someone back on their feet, literally, and back to life. So it's exciting for me. And being able to offer patients a technology that is really like next level, and we haven't had anything like this since I was a resident, it's amazing.